The caramelized orange tart is a delightful dessert that combines the crumbliness of shortcrust pastry with the intense flavor of caramelized oranges. Here's the recipe. Ingredients. For the shortcrust pastry, 300 grams of type 00 flour, 150 grams of cold butter from the fridge, 150 grams of sugar, 1 large egg, 1 egg yolk, grated zest of 1 lemon, a pinch of salt. For the caramelized oranges, 3 untreated oranges, 200 grams of sugar, 50 milliliters of water, juice of 1 orange. Preparation. Start by preparing the shortcrust pastry. In a bowl, place the sifted flour and the butter cut into cubes. Work with the tips of your fingers until a sandy mixture is obtained. Add the sugar, grated lemon zest, and a pinch of salt. Mix well. Make a hole in the center of the mixture, add the egg and the yolk, and start to mix the ingredients until a dough ball is formed. Do not overwork the dough to prevent it from becoming elastic. Wrap the dough in cling film and let it rest in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. Meanwhile, prepare the caramelized oranges. Wash and slice the oranges into round slices about 3–4 millimeters thick. In a large pan, put the sugar and water and heat over medium heat until you get a golden caramel. Avoid stirring the caramel directly, rather tilt the pan to move the caramel if necessary. Carefully add the orange slices to the caramel, along with the juice of an orange, and cook for 5 to 7 minutes until the oranges become translucent and the caramel thickens. Remove the orange slices and let them cool on a plate. Roll out the cold shortcrust pastry on a lightly floured surface, then lay it in a previously buttered and floured tart tin, forming a high edge. Poke holes in the bottom with a fork. Arrange the caramelized orange slices over the shortcrust base and pour over the remaining caramel. Bake the tart in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes or until the pastry is golden. Let the tart cool before unmolding and serving. Curiosity: the citrus caramelized tart is a delicious variation of the traditional tart. The use of caramelized citrus not only adds a touch of elegance, but perfectly balances the sweetness of the dough with the slightly bitter notes of the orange peel. Moreover, it is always a pleasant surprise to find a hint of caramel in a classic baked sweet like the tart.